Sometimes you may have seen some people getting email notifications about their post performance from X or Twitter. So, if you want to get these kinds of notifications in your email too, you can enable them. In this video, we'll show you how to turn this on. For this, open the X app. After that, up top you can see your profile photo. Click on that profile photo. When you click on it, here you can see Settings and Support. Click on Settings and Support. And here you can see Settings and Privacy. Click on that. When you click on it, here you can see Notifications. Click on Notifications. And when you select that, here you can see Preferences. Click on Preferences. And here you can see Email Notifications. Click on this. And when you click on that, up above you can see Email Notifications. If it's turned off, just turn it on. After that, here you can see a section called From Your Network. Under that, you can see updates about the performance of your post. Click on that and you need to select Weekly. If you select Weekly, after that you'll get updates about the performance of your post from X in your email. So this way you can easily enable the setting. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.